Hello viewers, welcome to our channel Mail Academy. Today we are going to learn how to convert XLS to PDF. Search on Google bit recover XLS to PDF wizard. Click on download. Install now. Click on Select Files option to select your XLS files from a folder. Click on Select Folders option to select folders containing XLS files. Select XLS Files folder. Select Destination folder. Trial version will add watermark to bigger files. Buy license to get the unlimited access. Buy activate the software here. Open destination folder for output. Converted PDF file. Get any full license version for complete file conversion without any watermark.